The first thing that we'll discuss is how to set up a web wallet. In order to use the X chain or the P chain, you will need the Avalanche Web Wallet, which I will link in the description below. I'm going to show you this process without a hardware wallet, and then I'm also going to show you how to do it with a Ledger hardware wallet. Without a hardware wallet, you would head on over to wallet.avax.network, and you will see this screen right here. You are going to click on the Create New Wallet button, which should bring you to the following page. Next, you're going to click on Generate Key Phrase, which would bring you to the following page. On this page, you are going to receive a list of 24 unique words. These words are the key to your wallet. Once you have your seed phrase stored somewhere safe, you'll have to confirm that you have stored it somewhere safe, and then you can click Access Wallet. After you click Access Wallet, you're going to be asked to verify your seed phrase one more time, just to make sure that you know what it is. And then once you fill out that form, you can click the Verify button. If you've done this successfully, you should land on a screen that says, "Congratulations, you've got yourself a new wallet." I'll show you more about how to use this wallet shortly, but first I want to show you how to use a Ledger hardware wallet with the Avalanche Web Wallet. Before you can use the Ledger wallet with your Avalanche Web Wallet, you'll need to install the Avalanche app on your Ledger device. If you don't already have Ledger Live installed on your computer, go over to ledger.com, which I will link in the description below, and download the Ledger Live app onto your computer. When you open Ledger Live, if you see a message that says there is a new version of Ledger Live available, make sure you install the new version. This may not work if you do not have an up-to-date version of Ledger Live. Once you have confirmed that you are using the latest version of Ledger Live, click on the Manager tab on the left-hand side of the screen. After you click the Manager tab, you will see some information about your device's firmware. If it says that there is a new version of the firmware available for your device, just like the last thing, make sure you are up to date. Once you've confirmed that Ledger Live and your hardware wallet's firmware are both up to date, then you can proceed with downloading the Avalanche app. So just type Avalanche into the search box where it says App Catalog, and then once you have the Avalanche app pulled up, click on the Install button. Once you have the Avalanche app installed on your hardware wallet, you can head over to wallet.avax.network, which again, I will link in the description below. Make sure you have your Ledger device connected to your computer, unlocked, with the Avalanche app open. This will not work unless all three of those things are done. Next, you are going to click Access Wallet, which will bring you to this screen right here. You are going to click Ledger. You're going to be asked to confirm 2 different transactions on your Ledger device. Make sure you confirm both of those. And once you successfully complete that step, your wallet should open up.